What's up, guys? Working from home today. Figured I'd do a quick video while I do this test fit of our updated template for the Losi Toyota Camry. We have the new vintage bodies and the truck bodies on their way. So we're going to do a quick update on all the templates for the current Cup car. That way these are up to date, perfected for when the new stuff comes out. With that being said, there's only a few days left for our GFRP Sprint Car giveaway. For those of you who don't know about it, if you're on this page, chances are you probably have seen the promotion for it. Any RC wrap in the month of June or RC apparel off of carpees.com are entered to win the GFRP Sprint Car Kit with a custom wrap designed by me personally. The cutoff is the last day of June. The first week of July, we'll be announcing that winner. Should be pretty exciting. We got a lot of people who have entered so far. So excited to see who's gonna win that thing, because I know there's a lot of people who really want it. So the idea with this new updated template for the Toyota Camry is to make it so a lot of the panels will be able to have continual designs, super easier to install, less pieces. So I've been working on this for a few days now, trying to think of the best way to do it so all these pieces can line up nice. So we're only gonna wrap one side of it here today just to make sure everything's still going right. If this goes smoothly, I'll have the other side buttoned up tomorrow. All the upcoming Toyota wraps will have this new template, and I think everybody's gonna like it. We were the first ones to do Losi NASCAR wraps. And of course, being the first one to do it, the first version's not always the best. So we wanted to go back through and update these, make them better, easier to put on, better looking, better fitment, all of those things. So it's time. We got the new bodies. Like I said, the new bodies are coming out. I want to make sure these are updated and dialed in, so when the other bodies come out, we can get those. Sorry. So we can get those all scanned in and ready to go. Sorry if it looks like I'm like soaking wet. It's like literally like 100 degrees out right now. We have not put the AC in at the house. So the house is pretty much a fucking sauna right now. To the side, done. Perfect fitment. The hood to front fender area is an area we wanted to make better than what we had currently. So, let's see what we got. Dude, this thing's gonna look sick when we get a real scheme on this. Got a little crooked here. We've been hella busy especially in the RC wraps department, for almost the whole last year now. So going back and updating templates is something we've been wanting to do. We just honestly haven't had the time to do it. So I've been kind of challenging myself to give this much needed work, you know, an extra 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there, trying to make things a little better. We're always trying to improve. Test fitting is an important part of this whole process. It's how we make sure things fit. Hell yeah, boys, look at that. Complete coverage, fully matched up, beautiful. This design actually isn't anything finished. We just kind of threw a continual pattern on it just to kind of get a visual of where things are going to match up when we're putting together the template. Super excited for you guys to see this template now. The Toyota was probably our worst Losi NASCAR template. It was the very first one we did for this body, and it's fine. It could use some work. Everything fit. It was just a lot of pieces, so it was very easy to get off. Make things not fit if you weren't getting the initial pieces put on perfectly to begin with. So this is a little more forgiving. little better like matchups, so you can go from you can go from the hood, roll over the side of the doors. This design just ends, but you can go all the way through. If you're doing the old DuPont 24 car, you can come up the fender, go up to the C post. It's a nice continual graphic from this piece down to the side piece here. Goes around on the back bumper. It's definitely a better product. Like I said, we were the first ones to do it, so time to give it an update, because we're always pushing to be the best in the business. So took a little longer to get circle back to this project than I wanted, but hey, it's here. We'll have the rest of this scanned in tomorrow, do one more test fit, and then all future Toyota Camrys will have this updated wrap template. Don't forget, we are doing the GFRP Sprint Car giveaway. Any order placed in the month of June 2025 or RC merch that's ordered on carpies.com are qualified and entered to win. If you place an order today, you're entered. If you order tomorrow, you have 2 entries. If you order the next day, that's 3 entries. So you can get as many entries as you want to win that sprint car. I recommend you do it. It's fucking badass. So, and I'm gonna pull out all the stops for a pretty sick wrap for it. So hope you get your orders in. You're not gonna wanna miss this. It's pretty sweet. It's about a $700 value. So make sure you get your orders in and try to stay cool. It's fucking hot out.